Hello students. Next topic is notice writing, and let us understand what is notice writing. So notice is a written or a printed information or news announcement. It is used to give information to a larger number of people by putting up the information on the notice board. Then we should also know that why we used to write the notice. We write the notice because it saves the time and energy in sharing the information with all who need it. Moreover, a notice is an easy way to understand and remember, and if required, and any person can read it in a very, because it is very easy to understand, so anybody can read it again and again. So what is notice writing? A notice is a written or printed information or news announcement. It is used to give information to a larger number of people by putting up the information on the notice board. Here are some points we have to remember while writing the notice. What are the points? First is, a good notice should be always to the point and leave no scope for the further inquiries. Then second is, language of the notice should be formal. There should be formal language used. Then sentences should be short and simple words should be used. Then, because we writing in a very limited words, so it is very important that the sentence should be very short and simple words should be used, because everybody can understand that. Then passive voice should be used as far as possible, because if you are using don't make it personal. It should be written in a passive voice, not in a subjective manner like I want, I have lost. Don't use such kind of words. Next is, notice should be in a proper format and within the box. Yes, it is for the school students. Otherwise you can use if you are writing, if you are in a institutions, then you can write it in a just without the box. But it is prescribed by me that notice should be within the box. Then the ideal length of notice should be 50 words. So precise language should be appreciated. So these are the points we should remember. Then format of notice writing. Here the center of the box, top center of the box, the name of the institution should be there, then notice, then date on the left side, top of the box, then subject of the notice or title of the notice, then content or main body of the notice. Then and you can start your content or body of the notice by writing this is to inform, or all of you are hereby informed that, such kind of lines. Then signature, you will put your signature, then you will write your name, then you will write your designation. If you are in a school, you are a school student, then you will write head boy or head girl. Here the example of notice writing, you can see that name of the school is there, then notice, then date is there, 28 April 2020. Then topic is poster making competition. Then students are, this is the content or body, students are informed that a poster making competition is being held. The details are as follows. Date is 15 May, time is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Theme is Save Water, Save Life. Venue is school auditorium. Prize winning entries will be, this is the concluding line, prize winning entries will be used on the cover of the school magazine. Then you will put your signature. The signature I have not put here, but you will put your signature. Then you write name, swastika, then head girl. And here one thing is important, that 28 April, this date should be followed. This format of date is correct while writing an application or writing a notice. Then here is the another example of notice writing. You can see the same format has been followed. LBS school, notice, then date, then heading, then content or body, and it is about the pencil box found, lost and found column. So content is, a wooden pencil box has been retrieved from the school canteen, and it contains some pencils and ink rubber, a scale, a protractor, and a compass. The owner is requested to come and collect it, but only after providing sufficient proof that it belongs to him or her. Please contact the undersigned. So signature, name Harsh Bhargava, then head boy. Then this is the homework which you have to do, and the homework is just write a notice for the school notice board regarding a 4-day trip to Agra. Consider the specifications. So that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.